We'll guide you through how to fix AirPods won't connect to an iPhone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying. You may have gone and connected them before, or this may be the first time. It doesn't matter, we've got methods which we'll cover for both. So first of all, you want to go and just close your AirPods and reopen them, and just make sure there's some type of flashing light. This shows the power. If there's nothing, then what you want to do is go and plug them in and charge them for 10 to 20 minutes. You should go and see a glowing light. If that doesn't work, then what we can do is try resetting them. To do that, go and open up the case and make sure they're both in there. Then you can go and double tap on the light like so. It will start flashing white, double tap again, and then it will go and start flashing orange, and you'll hear it beep a few times. When it's complete, it will go and turn white, and then what you can do is close the lid, and you can go and reopen it, and go and see if you can go and connect. If that works, then great. If it doesn't though, come into your settings. If you've gone and connected before, then go into Bluetooth, go and find the AirPods in your devices, press the I to the right, and you can go and forget the device. You'll need to confirm your decision, and then what you can do is try opening them up and go and see if you can connect. If you don't get the pop-up, then you may go and get it in other devices there. So you can go and tap there and join it that way. If that doesn't work, then what you want to do is make sure your iPhone's up to date. In settings, click on general and tap software update. It'll go and check, and if there's one available, go and do it. Otherwise, if it doesn't solve it or there's no update available, try performing a forced restart. To do that, press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold down the side power button. Keep it held down, your phone screen will go black, and release it when you see the Apple icon, like so. Hopefully now you're able to connect to them. If you found this useful, then leave a like.